Hello, Bachalo. This is Sufyan sir. Today I am going to start the science chapter of standard 9. Chapter number 13, Why do we fall ill? Before we start the chapter, we must know that why we start the chapter number 13. Because of the COVID-19. Nowadays we had seen many of the problems as arises due to the COVID-19 and hantavirus and many more. So when some of the person has found that they are the patients of coronavirus, तो उसे हम क्या करेंगे, उसकी इम्यूनिटी सिस्टम को हम डेवलप करेंगे, बहुत सारे हम करेंगे बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव अ वैक्सीन. बट बिफोर वी डू दिस वी मस्ट नो दैट वाई वी फॉल इल. हम फीवर क्यों होता है या हमें कोई भी डिजीज क्यों होती है ना, उसका रीज़न हमें जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो फॉर दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट दिस चैप्टर. We have all heard of the earthquake in Latur, Bhuj, Kashmir, etc., or the cyclones that lashed the coastal region. Many of the time we had heard about the earthquake, that earthquake is happening in the different region, different town. Even that particularly, if you think about Gujarat, then some part of Gujarat of Ahmedabad, they feel that earthquake, but another रीजन डोंट फील. सो कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि एक जगह पे है तो दूसरी जगह पे नहीं होता. क्लियर बच्चा लोग. एंड साइक्लोटोन ऑल्सो इन द कोस्टल रीजन, इफ देर इज ए साइक्लोटोन तो उसके जो बीच ऊपर है ना बहुत अफेक्ट करता है. थिंक ऑफ मेनी डिफरेंट वे एज पॉसिबल इन विच पीपल हेल्थ वुड बी अफेक्टेड बाय सच अ डिजास्टर्स if it took place in our neighborhood. Suppose that there is such type of disaster is happened to our neighborhood, मतलब कि हमारे आसपास में ऐसा कुछ डिजास्टर हुआ है. जैसे कि अभी थोड़े समय पहले ही बहुत सारी जगह पे ऐसे डिजास्टर्स हुए थे, तो हमने रिलीफ फंड किया था. ठीक है. सो फ्रॉम दैट देर इज ए लॉट्स ऑफ अफेक्ट टू दी पर्टिकुलर हेल्थ ऑल्सो. How? Because of the food, because of these disasters, no one have proper health and many other things also. So इसकी वजह से हमारी सिस्टम पे बहुत सारा अफेक्ट हुआ. So how many of these way we can think of are events that would occur when the disaster is actually happen. So from these we can find out that there are many of the ways that from this way our health is going to be impacted. Means suppose there is a earthquake, then also they are directly or indirectly they are affect to our health. If there is a cyclone, then also means the health is going to be affected directly or indirectly due to these such type of disasters. How many of these health related events would happen long after the actual disasters, but would still be because of the disasters? Now if we think about the Hiroshima and Nagasaki, क्लियर बच्चा लोग, जब हम हिरोशिमा और नागासाकी का हम सोचेंगे तो डिजास्टर इज हैपन सिंस वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम एगो, बहुत समय पहले हुआ था. बट नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स वी कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड सम ऑफ द डिजीज आर हैपन. मतलब डिजास्टर होने के बाद भी ऐसी बहुत सारी रिलेटेड चीजें हैपन होती है. क्लियर. Why would one effect on health fall into the first group and why would another fall into the second group? Now the question is arise that if the health affected problem is there, then we can place this type of things in particular one group, and if there is another problem, then we are placing the second group. मतलब कि हेल्थ पे तो अफेक्ट हो रहा है, लेकिन पर्टिकुलरली ये डिजास्टर से हुआ है तो हम एक ग्रुप में डालते हैं, डिजास्टर से नहीं हुआ तो दूसरे ग्रुप में डाल रहे हैं. क्लियर. सो व्हेन वी डू दिस एक्सरसाइज वी रियलाइज दैट health and disease in human community are very complex issues with many interconnected causes. Yes bachcho, health and disease are interconnected. Nowadays we are always find that most of the person are saying that it's a health problem हुई है. Some of the person is saying that this person is going to be suffering from the health disease, or they are suffering from some disease, या वो बीमार है, then we are saying health problem. Okay, but they are all always interconnected to each other, but it's a complex issues के हम वो क्लियर नहीं कर पा रहे क्या है. We also realize that idea of what health and disease means are themselves very complicated. When we ask what cause disease and how we prevent them, we have to begin by asking what these notions means. Now, we realize that from these that health and disease are both are interconnected but both are separate. एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए हैं लेकिन दोनों अलग अलग है. Means what? When we ask what cause disease and how we prevent them, disease क्या होता है, what cause disease and how we prevent, how we can become safe from that disease, we have to begin by asking that some is going to be asking that what's the notion means. ये सब क्या आप stupid जैसी बात कर रहे हो. Clear? We have seen that cells are the basic unit of organism. Cells are made up of varieties of chemical substance, proteins, carbohydrates, fats or lipids and so on. We know in the previous standard we had studied many of such type of thing that cells is a basic unit. Means cells है ना वो एक छोटा सा यूनिट है, उसके मिलने से बहुत सारी चीज बनती है. ठीक है. So cells are made up of varieties of chemical substance. Cells is made up of many of the substance like a protein, carbohydrate, fats and many other things. Cell is a dynamic place. Something or the other is always happening inside them. Many of the things are happening to the particular cells also. That in particular cells the small of the process is going on. हमें पता नहीं होता लेकिन वो सेल के अंदर कुछ ना कुछ प्रोसेस होती रहती है. New cells are being made in the our organism or the tissues. There are various specialized activities going on. Okay, so in our body the new cells are prepared, old cells are died. हमारी बॉडी में अभी भी ऐसी प्रोसेस हो रही है जब भी हम आपसे बात कर रहे हैं, आप लेक्चर देख रहे हो. ठीक है. सो उस टाइम पे भी बहुत सारे सेल्स डेथ हो रहे, नए सेल्स उत्पन्न हो रहे. ठीक है. तो ये बहुत ही माइनर थिंग है जो हमें पता नहीं चलती. क्लियर. सो इन द सेल्स देयर इज सो मच प्रोसेस इज गोइंग ऑन इज नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स आल्सो. क्लियर. The heart is beating, the lungs are breathing, the kidney is filtering urine, the brain is thinking. Now the thing is given, the example is given by this that the heart is beating. हमारा हार्ट चल रहा है. The same time lungs is working, that we are breathing. When we are breathe, our lungs is working like a balloon. Clear. It's expand and contrast. The kidney is filtering the urine like a RO system. How the RO system comes from? It comes from the particular the help of the kidney, that how the kidney is working. It purify our water and many others particulars liquid which is present on the body. They purify that things and the unpurified thing is going to be gone in the urine. And the same time the brain is thinking. Means what? All the things are working simultaneously. ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि अभी आप हार्ट बीट हो रहा है तो आप ब्रीथिंग लेना रोक रहे, और इफ देयर इज kidney is working, or you are go to the toilet at that time, your brain is not working or your heart is not working or you are not thinking. Means all the things are happening simultaneously. All these activity are interconnected. For example, means what? हर एक चीज एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होती है. कुछ ना कुछ लाइफ में भी ले लो या किसी भी चीज में ले लो, हर एक चीज एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड रहती है. In this activity are interconnected. For example, if the kidney are not filtering urine, clear, if the kidney are not filtering the urine, poisonous substance is accumulated. Under such condition, the brain will not be able to think properly. For all this interconnected activity, energy and raw material are needed. Yeah. So means what? When the kidney is not working, means what? They are not purified the liquid which is present in our body. So the bad materials are also present in our body. तो वो एक जगह पे इकट्ठा ही हो जाएगी अगर किडनी वर्क नहीं कर रही है. So at the same time the poisonous substances are accumulated, एक जगह पे इकट्ठा हो गए. तो फॉर दैट आवर ब्रेन इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी वर्क प्रॉपर्ली। कभी आपने देखा होगा कि आपको या हमें कभी भी जोरदार टॉयलेट आती है, ओके, देयर इज सम प्रेशर्स इन आवर बॉडी, नेचर कॉल हुआ है, एट दैट टाइम वी आर नॉट थिंक प्रॉपर्ली, हम कुछ भी बराबर सोच नहीं पाते, या हम कुछ भी हमारे सामने हो तो हम उसे तुरंत ही रिएक्ट नहीं कर पाते, या हम कुछ सोच उसे पर्टिकुलरली ऑब्जर्व भी नहीं कर पाते। मीन्स व्हाट, एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी कनेक्टेड विथ ईच अदर, बट the brain is not able to think properly for all these interconnected activity। ये सारी एक्टिविटी किसकी वजह से हो रही है? मेन रीजन तो हमें ढूंढना होगा ना, तो किसकी वजह से हो रही है? एनर्जी। now the question is arise that how the energy is come, that you had already studied in the previous class also, that in class 5th 6th and so on, clear? तो 5th स्टैंडर्ड से नॉर्मली ये सब आता है कि एनर्जी कहाँ से आ रही है। सो एनर्जी एंड द रॉ मटेरियल आर नीडेड, food is necessary for cells and tissues functions, anything that prevent proper functioning of cells and tissues will lead to the lack of proper activity of the body, clear? So body needs the food to particular formation of, wow, clear? So particularly if the person needs some energy, they have to eat some food. If there is a lack of food, अगर उसके पास properly food available नहीं है, means what, there is a lack of energy in their body, so their cells, their brain, their heart and all the system are not going to be a work properly. Now we are going to start our further session about the health and its failure, clear? the significance of health, मतलब कि advantages क्या रहे हेल्थ के अंदर, वो हम स्टडी करेंगे, क्लियर भाई? चलो, सो अप टू हियर we had given the introduction of the chapter that the health and disease are interconnected but both are not the same, clear? And from that we had taken one example, that if there is a lack of food, there is a lack of energy, and it directly or indirectly affects the health, clear? Now we are going to go through directly through the concept, and you have to read this paragraph, all the things that I will provide you in directly textbook here. If you have textbook, then also there is no problem, otherwise I will go through directly the concept, so you are not tired and you can clear a concept easily, and in the exam you can write properly. So health and its failure, simply that what is health? Here we had talked about that health and disease both are interconnected but both not are the same thing. So we must know the things that what is health. Health हमें पता होना चाहिए health क्या है. Health means what? कि health means हम physically, socially, mentally हम proper condition पे हो ना, उसे हम क्या बोलेंगे? Health बोलेंगे. क्लियर? चलो. So health means what? If you want to write the things, you can write it. Clear? Health means that one should feel good physically, mentally and socially. If you had read these things from here also, there is a given that मैं यहाँ पे आपको बता देता हूँ कहाँ पे आपको दिया हुआ है. Wait a minute. यहाँ से यहाँ तक. Health is therefore a state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally and socially. How? Okay, let us take one example too then, that if the person have not a good health, so how it is depend on physically. Okay, आपने खाना नहीं खाया, there is a lack of food, so there is no energy, so how you can work properly? Means you are always doing the work by physical, or you can doing work by mentally. If you are the scientist, then means what, आपका ब्रेन एकदम शार्प होना चाहिए, तो आपका ब्रेन वर्क नहीं करेगा, देन आपका हेल्थ प्रॉपर नहीं है. क्लियर? एंड सोशली मीन्स what, your around neighborhood is also must be good. आपके आजू बाजू वाले भी अच्छे होने चाहिए, उससे भी डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली आपकी हेल्थ पे प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होती है. इफ योर नेबरहुड इज ऑलवेज टॉकिंग और ऑलवेज आर्ग्यूमेंट और दे आर ऑलवेज फाइटिंग, then you are going to be irritated. ये रोज रोज क्या कर रहे हैं? Clear? One more example is going to be taken by us. Okay. Suppose that you are a singer. Means what? अगर आप सिंगर हो तो आपकी हेल्थ के लिए क्या जरूरी है? Your voice must be good. Or if you are the dancer, your physical health must be good. How? अगर आप सिंगर हैं तो आपको अच्छा गाना जरूरी है. Clear? If you are the dancer, your body movement must be well. अगर आप बहुत अच्छे से स्ट्रेच भी करो तो आपकी हड्डी या उस पर अफेक्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. मतलब क्या? अगर आप डांसर से पूछोगे व्हाट इज हेल्थ, तो उसके लिए हेल्थ क्या है? उसकी बॉडी परफेक्टली वर्क करनी चाहिए. इफ यू आर टॉक विद द सिंगर, तो उसके लिए हेल्थ क्या है? उसका वॉइस अच्छे से वर्क करना चाहिए. मतलब कि पर्टिकुलरली अलग अलग पर्सन के लिए हेल्थ की डेफिनेशन अलग हो जाती है. इसलिए वी हैड इंक्लूड दैट हेल्थ इज द सोशल, health is therefore the state to being well enough to function well physically, mentally and socially. Clear bhai? Chalo, now you can write this definition in your exam also, so you can get the particular marks. Okay, now what is the significant? If you are talking the significant, or if you are talking with the particularly example, ठीक है, advantages और the significant, तो उसके लिए बात करने के लिए, to do the proper work, we must have the good health. If you eat the proper food, so our health is good, so we can do the work best way and with the efficiency. अगर आप थके आ रहे हो, आपने कुछ खाना नहीं खाया, तो आप क्या ठीक से चल पाओगे? So how, if you are not run properly, or if you are not work properly, then how you can do the work properly with the efficiency? Means what? Health is needed. Clear? Now if you are talking about the health, so it is also help to face the difficulties also. How difficulties? Now question is arise that difficulty किस लिए sir? It's a simple answer, that if there is a particularly, if you are thinking that you are participating in the particular Olympic, or if you are participating in the school race, if your health is not clear, or if you are not, if you are eaten in the morning, and from the morning till evening you are work continuously, or आपकी final match शाम को है, clear, and you are not take the rest also, means what? It is difficulty to work properly. Means what? It also help us to face the difficulty. अगर आपने ठीक से खाना खा लिया, even that food is also the source of energy. Plus why we are sleeping? सर सिर्फ सो रहे, थक गए इसलिए हम नहीं सोते. थकने के लिए थक जाते इसलिए सोते तो है, लेकिन another reason is that we are retaining our energy, we gain our energy. सोने के बाद सुबह में आप उठोगे तो आपका मूड क्या हो रहेगा? फ्रेश रहेगा. मीन्स व्हाट? योर मूड इज गोइंग टू बी फ्रेश एंड यू गेन योर ऑल द एनर्जी, सो यू कैन इन द मॉर्निंग यू कैन वर्क properly. Means what? It is, if there is a good health, then you can do the work properly with the efficiency, plus you can face the difficulties. Clear bhai? Chalo, we had to complete this session. After that, the next topic, that person and community issues both matter to health. मतलब क्या? इंडिविजुअल हेल्थ तो हमें जरूरी है, लेकिन आपके आजू बाजू की वजह से भी बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट होती है. हाउ? दैट वी विल गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड इन द फर्दर नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. इफ यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग द गुड कॉन्सेप्ट विद द बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, यू आर विद द सुफियान वे. क्लियर बच्चा लोग? स्टे ट्यून विथ अस. गुड बाय.